एक्सप्रेस न्यूज़ की स्वागतम। ఈ రోజు నేషనల్ సైన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా జిల్లెలగూడలోని సిల్వర్ డ్రాప్స్ హై స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పో కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. రమన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ యొక్క ఆవిష్కరణ జ్ఞాపకార్థం సైన్స్ యొక్క ప్రాముఖ్యత మరియు జీవితాలను మెరుగుపరచడంలో దాని పాత్ర గురించి అవగాహన పెంచడానికి ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఫిబ్రవరి 28న జాతీయ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా జిల్లెలగూడలోని సిల్వర్ డ్రాప్స్ హై స్కూల్లో నిర్వహించిన సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పోలో వివిధ తరగతుల విద్యార్థులు వారి ప్రతిభను ప్రదర్శించి ఈ యొక్క సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పోను ఔరా అనిపించారు.
Good morning, myself Sailo. I am from 10th standard. I want to explain you about the fetus. Fetus is nothing but an undeveloped baby in the mother's womb. This is the fetus. It's a 4-month fetus. Its average weight is 1.5 to 2.5 and its length is 80 millimeters and it is an undeveloped baby. So it is in the mother's womb. It is protected by the 3 layers. One is chorion, placenta, amnion. Chorion is the outer layer, like finger-like projections, and it eliminates the waste from this fetus. And next is a placenta. Placenta is also a layer which is protected by this fetus. Next is amnion. Amnion is a layer, fluid-like layer. It consists of the cells and chemicals which is produced by the human body of the female, and it is called as a fetus. Thank you.
My name is Shilmakasra. I am studying in 5th year. My school name is Silora High School. My topic is human brain working model. Frontal lobe. The functions of the frontal lobe are numerous. It is associated with higher cognitive functions such as decision making, motivation, and problem solving, etc. Parietal lobe. These are primarily responsible for receiving, processing inputs such as touch, heat, cold, and etc. Optical lobe is usually helping to such as visually the brain such as decision making, motivation, and problem solving. Thank you. Temporal lobe, it helps to manufacturing languages and emotions, processing information, sends to organs that is helps to etc. Cerebellum is most directly of controlling water with what etc. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Vardhan. This is a water tank and this is a pump. This pump attracts the water with its energy and send to the pipe. The pipe will send the water to the filtration tank and the filtration tank will purify the water and send to the agriculture field. The agriculture field attracts the water and grow the plants. Now onwards my partner will explain. Good morning, Director. My name is Gautam. I am telling about solar power irrigation system advantages. The main advantages of solar water pump is that it uses sunlight just at no cost. Just as solar water pump depends on electricity, it creates no carbon emission, other heat trapping greenhouse. Solar energy can be used solar power pumps. Thank you. Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Arshita. I am studying 7th class. Today I am here to explaining about JCB, how to work. JCB is useful to build the buildings and digging the roads, etc. Take sand and soil, etc. Good morning everyone. My name is Manaswini. I am from 4th B. Air enters the respiratory system or throat, nose and mouth. The two opening of the nasal cavity and the mouth. The meat it is expensive are thought at the back of the nose and mouth. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Yavish. I am studying in 4th class. Now I am telling about digestive system. The food that we eat does not give energy directly to our body. It gives energy after digestion. Now we will see digestion process. Mouth. Teach children when the food is first mixed with saliva. Saliva breaks the starch into simple sugars. Esophagus. Food pipe passes through the food pipe to reach the stomach. Stomach. It is like a muscular bag on which food is churned with digested juices. Large intestine. It holds undigested food and semi-solid waste stored here.
Yeah, very good morning everyone. Silver Drops High School, we are very proud to celebrate this Science Day celebrations. This Science Day is celebrated on the effect of this Raman effect, which was invented by C.V. Raman. And in our school, we are organized this science fair in a very grand manner, where all the real working models have come over. All the students have they have come out of their interest and exhibited all the models. We just given guidance to the children. Right from pre-KG to the high school level, the children have come over with a very excellent innovative working models. And the special attraction of this science day is human organs, as well as the blood checking models of blood pressure checking and glycometer checkings, as well as fire alarms, water purification methods. Very beautiful working models have been exhibited by the students. I really appreciate the zeal and interest of all the students and the parents. Very thankful for everyone who have made this occasion a good success. And the real body parts have come, are been exhibited here very beautifully, without any fear and without any hesitation. The children are explaining it. I appreciate the zeal of the children. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
ఈ సందర్భంగా స్కూల్ చైర్మన్ జె శ్రీనివాసరావు విద్యార్థులకు సైన్స్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో విద్యార్థులు మరియు తల్లిదండ్రులు పెద్ద ఎత్తున పాల్గొన్నారు.